Since the beginning, the startups are the essence of our ecosystem. Back in 2022, EIT Manufacturing West understood that the startups need guidance, connections, and funding to succeed on their market. Is the timer set? Since the beginning, EIT Manufacturing West is supporting startups thanks to programs like Accelerate to finance and invest in startups, like Access to Market to scale the startups in Europe, like Access to Finance to find the best investors to grow your startup, and Boost Up, our program for startup competition to bring them visibility in Europe and gain money to scale their business across all the countries of Europe.
So the support from EIT Manufacturing West was huge since the beginning. The major help for us was to get the introductions and the bridge between corporates, startups, and other companies and key players in the industry.
We have an advisory board with them, and they help us every month during the meeting we have about our strategy and how to structure our process.
We receive a huge support from EIT Manufacturing in terms of networking, in terms of events. This gives us the opportunity to showcase our system, to have meetings with our customers, and to initiate POCs, proof of concept.
Coming to an event with EIT Manufacturing is the opportunity to pitch what Energency provide to industrials. The relationship with EIT Manufacturing is mostly the opportunity to get new business opportunities thanks to the industrial network they have.
I'm really happy that EIT Manufacturing West is supporting groundbreaking startup, and it's just the beginning.
We really like your support. Thank you so much for all the help provided until now. And I really hope we can still work together. We want to do many projects with EIT and all the players involved, and let's keep working.